In today's video, we will be demonstrating how to replace a capacitor on your home AC system. To begin with, we're going to shut off the AC in the house. From there, we will go outside and turn off the main breaker to the AC. Come out here to your main AC panel or your main electrical panel. Here's your AC. Turn that off. And then you want to come outside to your main AC unit. Okay, so out here we have a Lennox unit, and here I will disconnect the power as well. So this comes out. And make sure that's out to make sure you are safe. Just put it up here for now. Set that aside so you know you're safe. And then we'll take these off here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this was going to be about how much if we paid to get it done?
About 400 almost. Well, 3 something, I don't remember.
So in this video, I guess we could say how to save $300, huh? Because what they quoted us was $332, and I'll show you the paperwork. And what happened was we started getting a little bit of the AC was cutting out a little, and thank goodness it wasn't all the way out. So we decided, you know, let's give them a call. Let's see what they can tell us what's going on with our system. And they came out. We just signed up online because we knew we used George Brazil in the past, huh? And we knew they were good people. So I thought I could have a socket ready to go, but I brought this just in case. I'm gonna get my tools get my tools organized. And we had the same problem happen in Maricopa, but that time we were completely down, huh? And we used George Brazil. They came out, they did the replacement, and then we started looking at the actual part that they replaced, and we said, you know, this thing is very inexpensive, so why don't we just replace it ourselves the next time? And so today we were thinking, geez, that's gonna be a lot, and so we tried to get the exact part number from the AC tech, but we didn't. We just got like general specs, and the handwriting was really messy. And so my handy dandy assistant came out and got the model number from the back here, the serial number, and the manufacturer. And then I started calling around, and the top 4 places I called said they only sell to registered contractors. And so I looked on Amazon, and they wouldn't get out until, the part wouldn't be here until Friday. And so I I called around and I was able to find this place, and I'll put a link to it. You can tell it's not the same exact length, but it's got the same specs. So we have red, one red, one yellow, and one purple. And so when I remove this, we're going to match up those wires. At this point, you want to be sure and review the procedure for discharging an AC capacitor, because it could be very dangerous. So you want to make sure and check out a respectable site for AC repairs and maintenance, and be sure to review the process and confirm the discharge of the charge or power that was stored in the capacitor, because an AC capacitor stores an electric charge even after cutting off the power supply to the unit. It's enough to shock you. Therefore, ensure that you discharge the capacitor. I'm not going to go through this a whole lot. There are videos on this. And so just a word of caution, we're not AC repair people, we're not contractors. We're just showing you how to maintain your air conditioner at home. So now that I got the right tool, it's so much easier.
Careful so it doesn't drop. I don't know if it'll drop when you unscrew it. Yes.
Okay, this one goes here. And then so you want to take a look up here. I can't really see what goes where.
Uh-oh.
They should be labeled.
Ow.
Can you take a picture? There. Backside maybe?
That's good.
And then let's see if you can look up here. The purple.
So fan is this one.
Okay.
Oops, I'm not getting. This one is.
Careful, don't put it.
Herm.
Yellow is Herm, okay.
And then C probably, right? There's the red.
Yep. So this one's fan right here, right?
I mean, you need me to help you.
Is that fan?
That's fan, yes.
Okay, and then
Keep stepping on that.
so purple is fan. Okay, so I'm gonna swap out purple.
Sorry, I wasn't. Careful. What do you need me to do?
Oh, sorry. So there's purple.
Okay.
Goes to fan.
It's this one here.
Okay, bring it closer.
But which one do you put it on? Does it matter?
It's just the same.
Oh.
Okay. And then yellow was Herm, right? Herm.
Yes.
Okay, put it closer. I got it. Yellow.
Because I'm not getting good video and I'm trying to do that. It's not.
Okay, and then can you see what that one is?
C?
C, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And there's a C down there.
Mm-hmm.
Are you getting it on the camera?
Yep.
Maybe hold this on with one hand. It's likely she just did the readings.
Hoping I'm getting good video because when I looked, it was going up more. Careful. I don't think here down there would be crimping it together more, but I don't know.
Let's see. Okay. There we go. I just used some leverage under here and then pushed up. Okay, so now this one goes on to C. Everything's on snugly. And then now it's time to put it back on the... Oh, you want to do this too? Picture that.
I was comparing the numbers.
Cool,
That one and the other one.
Okay, so now we are tightening up the little what do you call it? The little brace.
Oh. Just
It came
about
out.
3 years, right?
Yep.
Just in May, it would have been 3 years.
Well, they came out and they did some testing using their probably ohm meters and whatever they use. And they noticed that it wasn't pulling enough, huh?
It wasn't reading whatever it was supposed to. Should have been 45 and it was 40. Is what the technician said. It's just flat, right? That's all I saw. I didn't see. So it just presses against the flat part?
Yeah. And it somehow just helps as another brace, I guess. It's hard to see back here. Oh, that freaked me out.
No, it's not.
Never! Somebody didn't get the power right!
Our boys turned it back on because it's
Oh,
getting hot.
geez.
Just kidding. It wouldn't go though.
Yeah, we got power shut off from the main breaker and
Up here.
this local one. So would you explain maybe what some of the issues were we never noticed?
So, Lamont said last week or the week before he heard it start really hard.
Yeah, it was running hard, like it was just straining and struggling.
I wasn't here that time, so I didn't hear it, but when we returned home from our vacation, we came in and I noticed that my house was pretty warm. And so I went to the thermostat and looked, and it was up because it was hot in there, so it was like 80 something in there. So I pushed the AC button down, well, the temperature button down to 75, and it didn't kick on. Usually it kicks right on. And so I was like, okay, waited for a while, nothing happened. And so I tried again. Well, actually I turned it off, and then I turned it back on and tried again, nothing yet. I did that for probably 2 more times, and I think Lamont did too, right?
Yes, 6.5 millimeter.
and so it still wouldn't come on. We left it off for a while, thinking that maybe it just needs to reset, so we left it off for like 5 minutes or so. Tried again, still didn't work. So I was like, oh geez, I guess we need to call someone. And right when I was looking up a place to call, it comes back on, but I didn't know that Lamont was outside resetting the breaker. I didn't know that's what he did, so I guess that's what.
I just turned off the main power to the AC and let it stay off for a while, and then turned the main power back on, and then it fired up, huh? Okay, so now I am going to turn on the main power, and then you can go inside and turn on the AC. Back in here, we're gonna turn it back on, go to mode and cool.
Sounds like it came on, but it's... There
Yep.
we go. Yay! We fixed it ourselves. Thank you.
So you gonna do lately? If you like the Hopi Kachina dolls on the wall, be sure and visit the buyhopi.com website. So the place that we were able to purchase the capacitor from is local. It's up on Kyrene between Baseline and Elliott Roads. We called them up and gave them the manufacturer name, model number, and serial number, and they were able to look up the correct part. And we went right up the road, not too far from here, and picked it up the same day. The people were very nice, so be sure and reach out to them if you need any parts for your DIY or routine maintenance of your home.